Oopsies! We got another Quota bag! The perfect size, the perfect dream bag. This is literally probably my top favorite bag. White bag, we know what a white bag means. White bag. Hermes Paris Quota bag offer and unboxing. Let's get into it. We'll get right into it. We've got another Quota bag and Hermes Paris appointment, Quota bag offer, and unboxing. Okay, so before we get into it, disclaimer. One, I am so sorry I have not posted these long form videos in a very long time. I have a bunch of them backed up. You guys know I have. I've been doing a lot more shorts. I hope you guys have been seeing me on shorts, but I will try to get back into these. And to reiterate that point, I have three Hermes Paris leather appointment bag offers and unboxings. Three different Quota bags that I still have not posted. So we're gonna do the first one now, and then we'll do the next two ASAP, okay? Because I have them all. I reboxed them to unbox them for you guys because I haven't had time to. So this is a rebox. This is something I got a long time ago. This was last year, and I never unboxed it for you guys. I can't believe I never unboxed it. I'm so sorry. So you've already probably seen this bag, but we're gonna re-unbox it right now. So we'll do the little quick story time and quick unboxing of this one. And we'll do the other two that I got this year, two Quota bags. Two other Hermes Paris leather appointments this year, and we'll do the unboxing of those two, okay? In separate videos. I'll try to do them all very, very fast. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Stick around if you're new here, and we'll do the whole thing real quick, okay? Other alert! I've got a new Instagram, you guys. I started a new Instagram. All my TikTok content on Instagram. So if you don't have TikTok and you don't follow me on TikTok or you don't want to have a TikTok, go to my new Instagram. It's the same thing, Shopaholique, but with a 6. Shopaholique 6. And all my TikTok content is getting slowly posted on there. It's a lot. I'm posting like 5 to 6 times a day to catch up, and it's a little out of order, but go there if you want to see it. It's not, some of the content is already on YouTube Shorts, but if you want an Instagram place for me, please come join me there. If you don't have TikTok and you want to get TikTok, go join me there too. I just hit like 71, I think, 1,000 followers on TikTok, so I'm really appreciative of that. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys for everything. I love you guys. Thank you. Okay, now to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, an Hermes lover, an Hermes obsessed, goo gaga crazy person. And today's video is a quick Hermes unboxing of a Quota bag that I got last year from Hermes Paris, okay? So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. So like I said, this was a last year thing that I got last year when I was in Paris for a quick trip during the Olympics. Summer, it was hot, it was August, a lot of people were out of town. So that I think has helped, is it's a good time to go because not as many people are there. Although conversely, there's not as many employees as well. But because everyone's out, you have a better chance, I think, of getting a bag. So anyway, I'm not gonna explain the long and short of the story time, but got the appointment, got the offers, picked one, and this is what we picked. So yeah, I don't think, if you want me to go into more detail about the exact details of the appointment and how I got this and what else was offered, I can do that, I guess. But it was two of the same bag, same color, sorry, it's very badly wrapped because this string was too short. I couldn't find the right string. Blech. Okay. There were two bags offered, both the same color, hardware, everything like that. It was just a size difference, just a size difference, okay? So went with the smaller one. Now to be fair, this is literally the perfect size, the perfect dream bag at the front. Perfect size, perfect dream bag. I've been wanting this size for so long. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. Perfect size, perfect color, perfect everything. This is literally probably my top favorite bag. So we're gonna do all this. The feeling of unboxing is just so nice. I love it. Okay. So like I said, you've probably already seen this. I repackaged it for you guys just so you could see, but it has the twilly still on. So this has been a dream bag of mine for forever. I think that this color and size is just so versatile because you can use it and wear it with everything, and it's literally a bag you can use every day to night, events, regular errands, whatever you want. So it is a Birkin 30 Togo in noir with gold hardware. Noir with gold hardware is one of the hardest combos to get because everybody wants it, because the classic black with gold hardware or even palladium. Gold is more harder because there's only 30% of the bags are made of gold, whereas 70% are made with palladium. So just statistically this is harder, but black bag in a size 30, which I feel like is the perfect size for every day, for even if you're like, carry less stuff. I feel like it's not too big on a lady, and it's not too small on a guy, right? The 25 is quite small. And again, to each their own, whoever wears what they want. No, I'm just saying generically, I'm stereotyping a little bit, but you get the general idea. Anyone can wear any size, anything like that, whatever suits you and your style. This is a great bag for every day and for everyone to use because of the size. The size, it fits everything you want without being too heavy, because the bigger you get, the 35, the 40. 35 is like, the leather is heavy, Togo's heavy, so the bigger size will get heavier, and you put more stuff in, it's gonna get heavier. This is still small enough that it can, like, you know, fit in here, and it doesn't feel too heavy, and you can get a lot of stuff in. You can get a MacBook 13-inch in here, and you can still open it up and it'll be, you know, quite full because it's a big tote bag, but it's not gonna be so big that it's overpowering. And you can wear it at night too. Feel like it's small enough that you can still wear it at night. Obviously the 25 is more of that kind of going out evening type bag. 25 is so small here. I tried it on, you can't go through here in it. You have to hold it only here. I'm only wearing I'll hold it like this anyway, but sometimes I will do it like this. And it's a really coveted size. And black is just classic because it can go with everything. You can wear it in the evening, you can wear it during the day. I feel like I've reiterated this a lot. Anyway, and you've probably seen this because I've posted about it on my shorts, but I don't think I've actually posted about it on my long form. So here's your long form, our newest little munchkin, somewhat new. And then I got these black Twillies, which actually I got, if you guys remember, I got for my 35, and they've been on my 35 for a long time, but then I got the 2 sets for the 35, and then I thought these would be more appropriate for this because it's like black, but it's still got a little bit of fun with the colors going through it. Okay, anyway, what do you think? Do we love it? Do we hate it? The plastics are gone, the hardware's already gone, it's got scratches, everything like that. It's worn in, it's got sand inside. I took it to Mexico at the beginning of the year for a wedding. And anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you guys. I'm so sorry it's been so long since I posted one of these. Please go check out my TikTok. Go check out my new... Okay, thank you guys. Okay, so again, I want to reiterate, Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Shopaholic6. You can follow my regular Instagram, which is my personal one as well, but I'm going to not post as much luxury content there. That's going to be more life content now. And then my TikTok as well, okay? So both places, okay? Thank you guys. All right. Okay, just to reiterate one more time, new Instagram, Shopaholic6. TikTok, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on my original Instagram if you want. And keep up here, okay? That's all I got, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies because I know you're just valuable. I know you're just rich. So appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you, bye.